In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn business page. To get started, sign into your personal LinkedIn account. It's important to know that LinkedIn requires you to create a business page from a personal profile, so you won't be starting this directly from a separate business login. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look to the upper right corner and click the For Business icon. This opens a menu with several options. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and select Create a Company Page. From there, LinkedIn will ask you to choose the type of page you want to create. This step matters because each option is designed for a different purpose. If you're creating a page for a standard business, whether it's small, medium, or large, choose Company. If you're building a page for a specific brand, division, or service that belongs under a larger existing company presence, then Showcase Page may be the better fit. And if the page is for a school, college, university, or other learning organization, select Educational Institution. Before you move forward, keep in mind that LinkedIn may require your personal account to have enough connections in order to create a page. So if you don't see the option available or LinkedIn doesn't let you continue, the reason may be that your account hasn't yet met that requirement. In that case, you'll need to grow your network first before proceeding. If you do have enough connections, you can continue by filling in your page details. This is where you'll enter the basic information LinkedIn needs for your page setup. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate and professional, because these details help people find and trust your business on the platform. A clear page setup also makes your brand look more polished from the start. As you complete the page information, it's a good idea to stay consistent with your business name and branding so your LinkedIn presence matches your website and other social platforms. That consistency makes it easier for visitors to recognize your company and understand what you offer. Once your details are filled in, you're essentially done with the page creation process. At that point, your LinkedIn business page is ready to become part of your professional online presence. And that's how to create a LinkedIn business page.